You'll have to forgive me, I'm already out of breath. I'm wearing my snowsuit. It's not crazy cold, but it is snowy. Snow's up past my crotch. So, time to feed horses, walk the dog. I gotta start the tractor, start plowing snow. We'll see if Sniper wants to come for a walk. Ugh. Sniper, you ready to come for a walk? Come on, dig your way out. Oh yeah, come on, big boy. I don't think we'll go that side because those snowdrifts are pretty big. There we go, between these two vehicles. Well, that was I think I'll have to, the snow's about 4 feet here, so I'll shut it off, I'll bring you back out. Still huffing and puffing, but it took me about 5 minutes to get to the tractor. Oh man, it looked like it wasn't so deep here. So I'm still in snow up to my hips. So I'm gonna start this tractor up and give it half an hour and then I'll start plowing snow. But I gotta take hay out to the horses in the corner because there's no way they can get to grass right now. So I'll bring you when I'm doing that, I guess. And I'll feed these horses in the yard while this warms up. Fun, fun, fun. That's if I can get the tractor started. It should be okay though. So the tractor started up right away. Oh, I'm out of breath still. It's been warm enough for half an hour. I'm gonna plow some snow. Like I said, I'm gonna feed the horses in the corner because they won't be able to dig down the grass. The cows out on pasture, there's no way of getting to them, so they're gonna have to just be okay. Calves just won't gain for a couple of days. They'll actually lose some weight, but can't get to pastures. Like I said, some of my pastures are 100 and some miles away, but can't get to them. So, but the ones here I can take care of. So that's what we'll be doing. And as you can see, there's plenty of snow everywhere. So I think we got a couple feet of snow, but with the drifting, there's lots of snow that's like 5 feet deep around the yard. But we'll see what it's like out in the field. Corn looks a little pathetic, and there's going to be some losses because you can't have this amount of snow and not have some stalks that just don't come back up. And you know, but can't change any of it, so it doesn't do you any good to be ticked off about it. I mean, this stuff on the edge was kind of little because it's on the edge, but there's lots of broken stalks off there. But hopefully out in the middle it's not as bad, but like I said, you can't change it if it is bad. It took me about 45 minutes to get out to this hay yard and get the hay dug out for these horses. And like I said, if these horses had like good grass, I wouldn't even think of feeding them because they have the ability to paw through and get to it. But because I'm a big sap, I fed them and I just put it over, didn't cut the strings. I'll let them just eat around it. Then tomorrow or whatever, the next day, I'll probably move the hay. These horses over there, there's 5 geldings in this pen. They're busy staring at the hay bale that I gave to Sue and Black Beauty. So smart they aren't. Tiger's gonna come over and he'll start eating, and they all will. But there was some of the snow that's up, you know, like I said, they're pushing their chests on the snow. Of course, where Tiger's there, it's only up to his knees, but where Blue was just walking through, he was up to his chest. So like I said, I won't cut the strings. That offers a little bit of danger. They could get caught in it, but they'll eat from the top down, and then tomorrow I'll probably move the bales So that's why I'm not cutting the strings. Like I said, I've done this before, so I'm not like terribly worried. I'm not, oh my goodness, I'm gonna hurt my precious horses. I'm pretty confident things are gonna be okay. And like I said, same thing with the corn. I can't change any of it, so sopping about it's not gonna do any good. And like I said, there's still gonna be a crop there. We're just not gonna chop it, you know, Wednesday or something like I thought we were. And like I said, I can't really change it. So, and when you chop it and you all use those rotary heads, they get a lot of the stuff, and you know it's gonna have to be broke right off on the ground before it's not gonna get it. I'm not saying it's gonna be fun to chop. Like here, it's pretty broke down, but it's surprising how much corn will come back up after, but we're definitely not what we needed. Like I said, there's going to be damage, and there's the one bonus that I have is this is on a place where I can graze. Like not everyone has that where they grow corn on a quarter that they're going to have cows go out on. So I mean, I'll get the use out of the corn. Might not be what I want or perfect, but I'll get I'll get most of it out. So, but you can see there's standing water right over here. The snow came with lots of moisture. Like the first so many hours of even though we were below zero in that Celsius, even though we were below zero, a lot of the snow was melting as it hit for a long time, and then like as you walk over, drive over, moisture squeezes out of it. So there's some moisture here. We weren't wanting any moisture right now because we want the silage trucks to be able to go through that cornfield and the chopper to go through every lowland and not miss any. But another one of those things we can't change. So if 20 acres don't get harvested because of wet spots, then 20 acres don't get harvested. Anyhow, I'll bring you out a little later. We'll see how everything else is doing. Looks like I better dig Wild out. My feed is just under in a tub over there, so I'll go kick the snow away so he can get out and play and eat. Hey, look who made it out of the snow. Yeah, you happy to get out? Or you want to get fed? Yeah. Anyhow, there was a little chimney there where he had air, so he was doing good. But he was happy to get out. There's Jessica. Don't worry about those two spikes. She never ends up anywhere close to those. She's got a 60-foot lariat there. So, Mama Bear's gonna record what we're doing here for fun. The snow is about half of what we used to have. It's been melting fast. Anyhow, this is what you do when there's no school or work and you just have fun. She got a big snowball falling in there.
Oh, there she goes. She's on the side.
She tried really hard. How you doing, Jessica? Is this funner than going to school?
Definitely.
How's your back from hitting all the bumps?
Well,
But it's worth it? Okay. Jessica convinced Mama Bear to go with her, and Mama Bear does not have snow gear on. She only came to ride in the tractor with me, and Robin has some limitations from injuries over her life. So I got told I had to go very straight, just easy. So I'm gonna put this phone down and just concentrate. We don't want Mama unhappy. Well, Mama Bear's gonna drive. We're all a little worried she had to ask for instructions, holy hell, on how to drive, so we'll see. Oh, this does not feel good, no. I pulled, whoo, it's filling with snow. I think this is where Mom gets payback. This is Jess and I don't know if we can see us, but this is called Mom is giving us payback. Oh. I don't know how Mom lasted so long. I saw you were steering pretty good. Oh. That's a wipeout. We're good. Well, the day's just about done. Snipers had lots of fun. The snow has gone down a minimum by half, if not 2/3, which is pretty handy. The corn doesn't look really terrific, so I'm going to just not look at it because I can't change it. Had fun with my wife and daughter. Played in the snow a bit this afternoon when the sun was out and it was warmer. And got our work done. So it's been a good day. It's nice to have a snow day once in a while. Not usually in September, but it happens. So be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have yourselves a great day. You guys take care, and hopefully you can avoid the snowstorms.